Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 11.2 fourth problem. Draw a pair of tangents. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree, at the angle of 60 degree. So first we have to construct a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other, which are inclined. This is very important construction, kana, inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So first we have to construct a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Of a radius 5 centimeter, and then the tangent, if the point is here means tangent will pass like this, and this inclined angle must be 60 degree. So if you are getting a point like the point here and a tangent like this, means this angle, this inclined angle will be 60 degree. Tell me one thing, that the radius and the tangent, makes 90 degree. So this one also must be from here. If we are joining means this one also 90 degree. So tell me, this is 90 degree and this one is 90 degree. This is 60 degree. If we join means we will get the quadrilateral, 4 vertex and 4 side quadrilateral. So sum of the angle of the quadrilateral is, sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So one angle must be 90 degree and 90 degree, then only we can tell that this is tangent. No? So this must be 90 degree and this must be 90 degree. On inclined angle will be 60 degree. So we know the three angles, 90 plus 90 plus 60 is plus that this angle we don't know. That only I am going to find now. From the center, which angle we have to construct, that only we are going to see now. Okay, so 90 plus 90 is 180 degree and 180 degree plus 60 degree is 240 degree plus center angle is equal to 360. So 360 degree minus 240 degree will be 120 degree. So from the center you have to construct 120 degree. Are you all clear, Kana? First you have to construct a circle. Okay, and you have to draw a pair of tangent. This point we don't know. This point alone we don't know. Okay, this only we have to find. If we are draw the line PA, tangents means this must be perpendicular. No, so we know that this must be perpendicular and this must be perpendicular, and we know that the inclined angle must be 60 degree, but I don't know where I have to keep the point. This point only you are going to find. This meeting point only you are going to find. For that, what we have to do means, first we have to take 90 degree here, from here, and from here only you have to take. So the middle angle we don't know, that only I found here, that is 120 degree. Okay, now construct a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Construct a circle, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Construct a circle of radius 5 centimeter and draw one baseline. This is the midpoint, center O, and this is A. Okay, so from here you have to construct 90 degree. We all know how to construct 90 degree. Take some measure in a compass, cut a circle, semi arc and here without changing that measurement you have to cut an arc on that old arc. Okay, like this you have to cut another arc. This is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. The angle how to make a 90 degree from here, from 121 arc, and from 60 degree another arc. If we join this we will get 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. And from center what we have found? 120 degree. So how to draw 120 degree? Take some measure in compass, cut an arc, and from here you have to cut another arc. This is 60 degree, and from the 60 degree you have to cut another arc, that is 120 degree. Now I am going to join. This is 120 degree. If this is a point of contact, means from here you have to construct 90 degree. Okay, rotate the paper and draw. Now construct 90 degree. How to construct 90 degree? Take some measure in compass, cut an arc, and from here 60 degree, and from here 120 degree, and then 90 degree. The angle bisector of 60 and 120 will be 90 degree. Now join. Okay, mark this point as B. So OA and OB are the radius, and we have drawn 90 degree. No, this is 90 degree, this is 120 degree, so this angle must be 60 degree. This is inclined angle. We found a point, external point. Clear? This is very important problem. I tell you the steps. First draw a circle. With the center O and the radius 5 centimeter. Okay, and then draw a baseline. From here you have to construct 90 degree, and from the center you have to construct 120 degree that we found from the question. This must be 90 degree and this must be 90 degree, and the inclined angle must be 60 degree, that is given in the question. So this angle from the center you have to construct 120 degree from the angle, some property of a quadrilateral. So from the center you have to construct 120 degree. Okay, draw the line, and from this point you have to construct 90. From here you have to construct 90 degree, and from here you have to construct 90 degree. So this is the external point, and PA and PB are the tangents. PA and PB are the tangents. Clear all of you? Is there any doubt? So now justification. In a quadrilateral, OA, P, B, using angle sum property, we have that 120 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree plus angle APB is equal to 360 degree. If we add this one, what you will get? 300 plus angle APB is equal to 360 degree. Angle APB is equal to 360 minus 300 is equal to 60 degree. So in the question they said that the inclined angle must be 90 degree, 60 degree, no? That only we proved that angle APB is equal to 60 degree. We proved this one. We have drawn the inclined angle with 60 degree. Clear? This is very important problem, Kana. Thank you.